Religion is the greatest mystery of all that is believed and practiced in the world. What is this worship? Why is this bowing down? Why the bonfire of the fire worshipper? It is surprising that, in spite of the general learning towards religion, it has not been possible, ever since man's creation, to establish which faith is true, which is strictly in accord with the will of the Creator, what the criterion of a faith being true is. Nay, it has not been possible, so far, to find an irrefutable and unanimous argument even about the being of God and His real will. The great secret of life lies utterly unexplored in spite of billions of people having died. Why does not the all-embracing nature of truth bring them round to a common reality? Why is it that every man considers his own faiths appear poles apart? Why is there a conflict? And if conflict is there, what is the claim of being true? These questions throw every sane person into a welter. However, their final solution for the collective good of mankind has a universal importance, because much of the bloodshed in the world, its most horrifying wars, its great conflicts and massacres have been given birth by difference of faith. So often a people has misaid another because it different religion, because it professed a different faith, worship another God, had somebody else its prophet and leader. If these bloodsheds and massacres, civil wars and killings were actually initiated at the instance of the leaders of mankind, and resulted out of the conflict in their messages or their conscious distortions, and if these conflicts continue in their present form for generations,